Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the environment so the touch can respond. First, close heavy apps and save work because processes can hog CPU and block input. Once done, force restart the device using the model-specific key combo. This clears temporary firmware or driver hangs. Make sure to disconnect chargers and external peripherals too, because bad accessories can inject noise. After reboot, check whether touch responds in safe conditions. This isolates whether software or hardware continues to cause freezes. Next, you diagnose software reasons why touch freezes. Boot into safe mode or the device's diagnostic menu to test touch without third-party apps, because many freezes trace to a single bad app. Then check and install OS and touch driver firmware updates, since manufacturers often fix input bugs. If freezing began after a specific app or update, uninstall that app or roll back the update where possible. Once you narrow the cause, verify touch stability before moving to hardware checks. Finally, you perform hardware checks and execute lasting fixes. Inspect the display closely for cracks, moisture, or a bulging battery. Physical issues often create intermittent freezes. If the screen is intact, recalibrate touch or, on devices you can open safely, reseat the display and flex cables. Loose connectors cause erratic input. If problems persist, back up your data and try a factory reset to rule out deep software faults. If that still fails, seek professional repair. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.